Can you guys hear me? Oh, all right. Thank goodness. All right, let me add the Twitch link in the chat on YouTube. Hey guys, everyone watching on YouTube, there's no delay basically on Twitch. So I would recommend you guys watch there. Guys on TikTok, can you guys hear me properly? All right, perfect. Can you guys hear like any messed up background noise? Does it sound like I'm in like a hurricane? Or no, like everything's good? All right, perfect. Nice. All right. Let's make this money. Obviously, on the daily chart, the market is sort of messed up. Nice, thank you guys. No hurricane today. Thank you guys. Oh wow, thank you for the rose. You didn't need to send a rose. Thank you. RIP SPY indeed. All right. We're trading the 0 DTE expiration contracts on the SPY. No, sorry, the contracts expiring September 16th. So if I say that I'm going long SPY, then that means I'm buying the at the money calls. And if I'm going short, that means I'm buying at the money puts. All of this for September 16th. No, I didn't enter into anything yet. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Market is obviously bearish, but let's see. Today is going to be very interesting because the market is at basically a daily low, right? We're sort of at the low level of the range that we're trading on the SPY, but they're holding support. So we're gonna have to go short alongside momentum to the downside, and if there are good opportunities to go long, we have to take those. But overall, in general, the market is we have to be patient with the market today because they can chop it around. Chop it around. So far, it's trading in a very tight range. We made a new low. We wicked to a new low on the SPY here, and we bounced up. So they're playing around with bears. But let's see, it's only been 3 minutes. Well, 4 minutes. Many people just went long here. 393 seems like a nice stop loss on the SPY, but weird. Price action is very weird. But let's see if we get a solid close above high of day, and then we could probably go long with a 392.70 stop, something like that. So everyone that just went long, they ripped it right back down. So let's see what they do. Lots of conflicting indicators, lots of conflicting movement in the various sectors and stocks. Yeah, oh man, brutal. They painted a really good longing opportunity and they just ripped it lower. So this is very, very bad for bulls. Low of day needs to hold for bulls. But yeah, they definitely got many people to go long. And they just ripped it right back down. So that's why patience played. I'm gonna go long SPY 392.80 as a stop. $392.80 as a stop loss. I'm going long SPY. We're trading in a nice little range. Very clear defined stop loss. Safe play. If this doesn't work, we could always go short as it breaks lower. But this is the good part of having a very tight range within the first 5 to 10 minutes. If our longs don't work here, we could easily just go short on a break of low of day. But that's why it's very important to always keep an open mind to whatever is going on in the market. We can make money either way. So this, we need a close above the highs. These wicks are not bullish. Tesla is making new highs. Everything is right at support. Support is holding. But that rip to the upside, it was not a bullish situation. All right, we're gonna close out of these. If we We're gonna close out at, yeah, I'm selling these right now. If we get a close below low of day, we're gonna go short. Yeah, everything fell right to support. So I don't want to go short just yet. I'm gonna go long 392.30 as a stop. So this pop to the upside, this could potentially be a nice little bull trap. But once again, we're just going with a predefined stop loss at low of day. So if we end up breaking low of day again, then that would be very, very bearish. But a trade is a trade, and we have to take our shots. Everything fell right to support. That's basically another reason why I was hesitant to sell initially. That first position that we got into, I didn't really want to sell it, but because we fell to support. But now let's see if we can get a continuation and a break of high day. Everything literally fell right to support and bounced. So now it's a matter of continuation to the upside. All right. Contracts are up nicely, about 15% now. Let's see if we can get some more here. Obviously, we made a new high of day. Very nice. If you're holding, we just closed above VWAP. We closed above 392.50 on the SPY. Apple is so heavy right now, which is an issue. But yeah, if you took one contract, now is the time to sell. Don't try to, like, we made up the loss from the first trade, but don't try to be greedy. But so far so good. You could go long again with 393.30 stop. You could go long again right now with a 393.30 stop. But I am not doing that. We're just holding on to the runners. So for the runner positions, since we went long at the bottoms, right? The runners, you're either going to have a stop loss to remain in profit, or you're going to be very, very risky and have a low of day stop loss. But yeah, there's clear momentum to the upside currently, and if Apple can start showing some strength, then this should be good. But yeah, nice. 394. Let's get a close above 394. Let us get a close above 394. 394 is a very, very major resistance. I'm gonna solidify a lot of profit here. Nice little Nice little 20. Nice little 20% play. Now, yeah. That same level needs to hold for bulls to continue up. 393.30. Oh, let me fix the screen. Sorry about that. Perfect. Yeah, so you can see that 394 is acting as major resistance. Now is not the time to enter long. We're sitting at resistance. You don't go long at resistance. But there were two nice little entries you guys could have taken. We closed above high of day. So generally that is a very, very safe trade. And if you didn't enter down here, I said that you could have entered on this candle over here with a stop loss at 392.80. That trade would have worked out as well. So two nice little opportunities to go long so far. We're trading the SP500 options. The options expiring September 16th. My MACD settings are 3, 10, 16. All right, so now we just have to be patient. Also, guys, if you guys don't want to watch the live on, you know, your phones or on TikTok, I go live. I'm also live currently on YouTube and Twitch and Facebook, all on the same name, Hamid Trades. So yeah, if you guys have made money so far, double tap the screen. And now we're just holding on to runners. Another new high of day on the SPY. Everyone should be up at least 20% on these. And yeah, spectacular move so far. We're holding resistance. This is not ideal for bulls, but we're bull flagging at resistance. The longer it takes for us to rip upwards, the higher likelihood that this is a good shorting opportunity. I really want to go short. I really want to go short, but the market is they're making it so easy to go long. That's the problem. But we had a clear rejection at the highs. It's all good. We're in a winning play. Doesn't really matter. Is the audio from the TikTok like much better now? Because I got headphones. I plugged in headphones. So hopefully it should sound better. Yeah, so is it better than it normally was? Because before, like, it was like you could sound or you could hear the computer. But yeah, hopefully you guys don't hear anything and it's just my voice. All right, dope. Thank you. 100% better. Audio is good. Nice. Nice. Thank you. Damn. I really wanted to go short high of day, man. But yeah, make sure you guys are taking profit and you're not just greedy and holding for like a 40% play. The market is showing clear resistance at 394. So don't This is setting up to break high of day. Easy. So let's see if that happens. This is a perfect setup for them to rip it above 394. If they don't rip it above 394 right now, then I'm definitely going short. But this should absolutely give a new high of day within this minute or the next. Absolutely. Okay. Tapped high of day. All right, cool. We made high of day. Nice. Thank God it didn't go short. All right, perfect. $394.50 is major support or major resistance. Ooh. Easy. All right, I guess this did go to like 35%. Okay. All right. Cool. Contracts are up 35%. You guys should be up at least 30 to 35%. Wow, it is ripping to the upside. Holy crap. Wow. What a damn. Crazy price action. Contracts are up easily 50%. Ooh. It's gonna be one of those days, huh? Alright, so pragmatically for the day, obviously bulls are in control. Now what we need to see is if these levels of support can hold. So what people are gonna end up doing is they're gonna wait for a retest of either 394.30, 394.40 to go long again. From there, people are gonna have to make a decision. And wow, this is really insane strength here. If we don't even get a retest back down to 394.40, then that is very abnormally bullish. It's also very difficult and not safe to try to short extreme strength. So these contracts should be up 50%. Well, at least 40 for everybody that entered. The important stocks are showing strength. It looks like we can continue heading up. Oh man, wow, this is a lot of strength. This is a lot of strength here. Okay. Yeah, now is not the time to try to go short. I'll let you guys know. Disgusting. Disgusting. Wow, we flipped from red to green. Oh man. We got the bottom, and then you guys could have entered another long as we broke high of day right here. Now we're up here. The IWM is running. It's causing the SPY to run as well. But tech is holding the SPY down. But this is good. Everything is basically in an uptrend. All of these all of these are just dip buying opportunities. Pretty interesting. Damn, I want to go short. $395.50 stop, going short. I'm going short SPY, buying puts, $395.50 stop. This is holding support too well. We might get stopped out of these shorts. It's holding support too well. Damn, this is strong as hell. I was expecting us to break below 395.85 already, but we're still holding above it. That's a problem. Tesla garbage is holding support. Freaking Apple is breaking down lower though, but it's holding support at VWAP, unfortunately. I don't know why you guys are holding up so well. Inflation is pretty bad. Market should you guys should keep falling. Tesla's in a freaking bull flag as well. All right, let's get some more movement to the downside. I don't think we're gonna get a crack because the SPY is holding up really, really well. Damn. All right, take some small profits. Don't allow this to like go red, because this is, take some small profits, let runners ride. I'm not as highly convinced about this put play. Obviously it works. It's working so far, but this is very risky. So just keep that in mind. Why don't I just play with the trend? Let's just watch what I'm doing. All right. So yeah, we're holding support pretty well. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to crack, but we're clearly showing a lot of weakness on the NASDAQ. The larger tech stocks are holding pretty well, but the NASDAQ is garbage. But yeah, this was a bit of a riskier put play. It doesn't look like we're going to get a lot of follow through. Take some profits. Don't allow this to go red. We're still up $20 on the contracts. So yeah, you have a choice either to 395.50 as a stop or break even. Yeah, holding support really well. Okay. I'm not going to enter anything else until we get above 395.50. And we can still see it's clearly acting as 394.80 is acting as support. So I want to enter into SPY calls here with 395 as a stop. Let's see. The puts are still, damn. There's so many trades to take. So many high quality setups you could just take here. Yeah. Tesla new high of day. All right. Wow, this is really, really crazy strength. This is crazy, crazy strength. The yeah, that was a quick little put scalp. Clearly it didn't work as well as it could have, but we did get like a nice little put. But clearly the momentum is very, very bullish. The runners shot up to 70%. I'm holding. I want to see if we can get 100. Yeah, this is crazy strength. Yeah, it makes sense. The trend is currently super, 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 super bullish. We got 2 opportunities to add into calls. We got them down here and we got them over here, and there was no clear break of any support. So when there isn't a clear break of any support, there's no reason to really take a giant amount of profit from runners. You know, that's the point of having runners, because you can keep them as the market continues. Now we're seeing Apple crack. But it cracked right down to support. Same with the SPY, same with the NASDAQ, same with the Russell. Looks like another very interesting longing opportunity with 395.10 as a stop. But the momentum is very, very bearish. That's the only issue. So this is a textbook longing opportunity, but it's not safe. So they're going to rip it down lower, in my opinion. They should rip it down lower because many people are going to become vehemently bullish over here. It would be nice to see them rip it down a bit lower, and because people that are entering into calls here, they are late bulls. So late bulls, we have to see whether or not they're going to reward these late bulls. Most likely they should not be rewarded, but let's see. All right, 390 fudge. Yeah, momentum is still cool. It's tough to go long here. It's very tough to go long here. But if you were to go long, you would have 394.80 as a stop. But it's very, very unsafe. Yeah, the lingo and everything takes some time. You just have to know what it is that we're talking about, and then this is a good long opportunity, but it's not safe. It's the problem. We basically got a retest of the 38.2% fib from the top to the low. We're at the 38.2, and this should be a good opportunity for them to bring it down lower. But from a trading perspective, this was a really good longing entry. So yeah, we've got to see. Doesn't make sense to enter anything aggressive. All right, let's go long 394.80 as a stop. SPY. 394.80. I wanted to enter on that nice little red candle because it fell lower, so we have a tighter position. So let's see if we can bounce from this little nice little tight position. If we break below 394.80, it is what it is. But this was a tight little opportunity to go long, better than before. All of these stocks and everything are holding support, but it's very, very heavy. As you can see, these past few candles, this is clear cut, very, very weakness, very like bearish. So it's going to take a lot of strength for them to rip it up. If we rip it up from here, then that is very, very bullish. But the odds of that happening is not as high. So this is not as safe, but we're green, so this is nice. Okay. So far, so good. Nice. So we're sitting at we're sitting at 395.50 as resistance. But everything bounced off of support really, really well. But the contracts are moving slowly. Yeah, unfortunate. The IWM made a new high of day. This is a bullish little bounce, but contracts are moving garbage, and yeah. $395.15 basically needs to hold for a continuation to the upside for the bulls. And so far, it looks like that is happening. Yeah, if you're holding one contract, I would take some profits. because this is not really a safe play. Many people are going short. Many people are going short, so I would take some profits. This was a nice small little win. If you guys have one contract, you should take some profit. But yeah, I wouldn't allow this to go back red. Let's see if we could get another. Yeah, this is weak. We're still holding 394.80 though. This is they're making it let's go long again. 394.80 stop. See if it works again. Everything is bouncing at support once more. Trade is a trade. Let's see what happens. The reason why I went long is because Apple is starting to finally show some strength. Tesla is also making a high of day, so, and the NASDAQ is holding support. So let's see if 394.80 holds, and clearly not. Oh, okay, perfect. So yeah, I only sell if we get a close below the stop loss. That wick was not a reason to sell. So yeah, once again, if 394.80 can hold as support, then this is a bullish situation because they wicked it below stop. They wicked it below levels of support and ripped it higher. So let's see if this is a good opportunity for a rip higher. I think it is. But yeah, regardless, a trade is a trade. Apple is showing an uptrend. Tesla is making new highs. It makes sense. Regardless of whether this works or not. We're seeing strength out of the other sectors and everything as well. The IWM is also really strong. It's in a bull flag. Okay. So far so good. This is a really, so look, this is basically a very good longing opportunity. If they don't allow this to bounce, then the move downward is going to be aggressive in my opinion. So if this doesn't work to the upside, then we're most likely going to go short. Okay? So far, we can see that it's moving well to the upside. And the reason why I thought that it was a good bullish opportunity is because the entire market was showing strength. We wicked below levels of support and then ripped it higher and ended up being green. And then the next two candles were also green. And currently we're trading above 395.15. So yeah, a trade is a trade. Let's see if we get continuation. But yeah. The whole market is showing strength. So let's see. Let's see if Apple can hold VWAP. The NASDAQ needs to hold 295.75-ish. The IWM is tapping a new high of day. Makes sense to be long here. Otherwise, you're trying to short extreme strength on the other sectors. Throw up the chart on a 1 minute, and then you'll see the strength that I'm talking about for the day. We went long at the low of day. So as scalpers, right, we went long on this candle, and then I told you guys another opportunity to go long as we broke high of day. So there were two really good opportunities to go long, and we made this whole move to the upside. So that's the strength that I'm talking about intraday. I'm not talking about the overall daily time frame or anything like that. Just immediately for today, pragmatically, we are bullish for today so far. So that's why, yeah. Yeah, things are wicking and doing crazy stuff around support, but we are comfortable. We're holding, and this is a trade. Whether it works or not is irrelevant, but this was a very, very high quality setup. Gotta leave your feelings out of this, guys. Leave your feelings out of this. You're not gonna make money if you fight the daily. If you fight the trend for the day, you're not gonna make money. And if you have a bias heading into the day, you're definitely not gonna make money. So you have to keep an open mind. So yeah, everyone that was worried about holding this, you guys are profitable now. You guys should be up at least $20 on the contract. Take some profits. If you're only holding one contract, you guys should definitely take some profits. For people that are holding multiple contracts, congratulations. Hold on to runners. Let's see if 39.15 can hold, basically. But yeah, this is a nice little comfortable trade. $395.50 is continuing to act as resistance. But if we can get a close above that level, then we can easily see above 396. But so far, we're seeing resistance here. So now is the time to take some profits. We're up a good chunk. 395.50 has been acting as resistance the entire day. If you're holding one contract, don't try to become a millionaire every trade, okay? These are scalps. If you're up $15, $20, you're holding one contract, you're watching some guy on the internet tell basically like when he's buying and selling. So you should just take the gains when they come. Especially today, there's no fluidity in the market. The market is very, very choppy at the moment. We got the move upwards, but we've been chopping around since about 9:50 a.m. So, ooh, this is bullish. Oh, this is bullish. We closed above 395.50, but it wasn't enough. Sorry, we closed above 395.46, but it wasn't enough. Like, it wasn't a solid, strong candle. Hold on. I think it's time to short. Damn. let's just wait. If you guys are holding one contract, you still have an opportunity to sell. Take profits. But, okay, 395.15 held. Okay. 395.40 held. Starting to go higher. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we about to break 396? Also, guys, sorry, I'm not really paying attention to the chat. Obviously, I'm just trying to do my best and trade, especially today. Like, the market is not fun. It's not fun to trade right now. So I'm trying my best to do right by you guys. Yeah, it's definitely a bit choppy. But that's why scalps work. We went long at a predefined level, worked out, bounced above, made some quick money. And now let's see what happens next. I wanted to go long 395.30 as a stop loss on the SPY. But I was a bit too slow. Wow. Are they going to hold 394? This has to fall. I mean, I don't see how this strength can sustain itself. This should be falling. Piece of crap. Missed the shorting opportunity. God damn it. Oh well. Almost. Damn. That would have been a nice little. That would have been a nice short. Crap. Oh, that's whatever. All right. Wow, that's unfortunate. We would have friggin' caught we would have caught the top-ish area. Could have shorted that. Oh well. Better luck next time. But yeah, that was so the reason why I wanted to go short is because we had a really good longing opportunity. We made money, whatever, but then as we started showing weakness, we started closing below major levels of support. And once we closed very close to 395.15, and then the next candle after that, we closed below 395.15. It was a really solid opportunity to basically go short. But yeah, oh well. Ooh. right. Let's see if 393 80ish can hold. Clearly lots of weakness, but let's see if these support levels can hold. Look at the daily chart. Look at the 1 minute chart. Looks like a Bart Simpson. IWM is showing strength relative, like a lot of strength. The momentum is very, very strong though to the downside. You could feel the heaviness, but if in this minute, in the next minute, we can still remain above 393.70, then I'm most likely going to go long for a scalp to 394.50-ish. Tesla is showing support. The IWM showing momentum to the upside. Tech is showing weakness though. That's the main reason why QQQ is showing weakness. Okay, never mind. Let's see if we get a close below this level. Big about face. Damn, those puts would have been nice, man. Oh well. We're back to the original top of the range where we broke out from for the day at 393.40. So wow, just churning through support like butter. I'm just waiting for a better opportunity. Wait. What do you mean? Guy just lost his shirt. Wait, what? We're not holding calls. We sold. What are you talking about? Yeah, guys, you guys have to stick to stop losses. I told you guys to sell all the way over there while we were still profitable on the calls, and then I wanted to enter into puts. So yeah, guys, please. Block that clown. All right. I'm gonna go long 393.90s and stop. Very, very tight. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. If not, then we are gonna see a new low of day. $393.90 is a stop. Let's see if we get a baby pop to the upside. This is obviously not as safe. We're trying to trade against the trend. The trend is clearly very bearish right now, but things are at support. The NASDAQ is showing too much weakness, but it's holding support. Yeah, everything is literally sitting at support. 392.90. Okay, this doesn't want to hold as support, unfortunately. I'm still holding. All right, I'm gonna sell out of these. The market, I might long again with 392.40 as a stop, but yeah, I'm gonna take small longs with 392.40 as a stop. 392.36, basically the low of day. We're gonna go long low of day again. Let's see if this pops. Momentum is very bearish, but we should get some sort of a move to the upside. If not, then if we don't get a pop to the upside soon, then this is going to hit below 390 and most likely going to hit like 388 today. On the SPY. Damn, yeah, this doesn't look like it's gonna bounce. But a trade is a trade. This is very, very weak. But they basically have to make a decision. Are they going to allow it to break below 390 and touch 388 today? That's basically the amount of weakness that we see right now. Failing at resistance. 393 is clearly resistance on the SPY at the moment. We need a break above that. But once again, everything is literally at support still. Same setup as the play basically a few minutes ago. But we entered a bit closer to 390, 240. For all the bulls that were trying to enter longs on all of these little periods of consolidation, they lost a lot of money trying to go long as the market kept falling, but we basically tried timing it pretty well because we missed the put. I missed the put opportunity. I was trying to get greedy. I wanted to retest, but yeah. Okay, we're getting a close above 393. Yeah, this is... Yeah, this isn't really the amount of strength that I would have liked. I want to see some more strength, but still made some money so far. Caught a bit of a bottom nonetheless. Okay, that's the original 393.40, 393.50 that I wanted it to touch. We're there. So yeah, if you guys are holding one contract, make sure to take some profits. If you're only holding one contract, now is the time to take some profits. If you're holding multiple, you want to hold runners to basically have a 393-ish. You want it to remain above 393. But yeah, not bad. Not a bad play. Not a bad play. Let's see if we can continue up. But clearly, obviously, like the market is very, very weak. We hit my initial target to the upside, the 393.50. But yeah, I mean, we're holding above support. We're holding above 393.05, which is what bulls want. And yeah, we can continue upwards here. As long as... yeah, that same level holds, basically. Not bad. Not bad at all. Screen. Sold the one contract. All right, cool. Cool. Yeah, you definitely made at least like $20-$30 on this contract. Nice. Cool. Apple is showing strength and it was holding support. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to go long, because we had a long period of consolidation that Apple was showing support at around 153.63. But yeah, so for the runners, you want this to remain above 393.05. I'm gonna... why is yeah, I'm gonna John, if you don't get your act together in the chat, I'm gonna have to block you. You usually are a nice guy. I don't understand why you're acting up right now. You've seen me make a lot of money. You probably took these trades as well, made money on them. So I'm not sure why you're acting up. So I'd appreciate it if we can maintain a nice environment in the TikTok chat. It'd be nice. Please, John. That'd be nice. I'm just short. Yeah, that's cool. You don't need to talk shit to people that are trying to day trade. Everyone's short. We've been shorting for a while. We have swing shorts, but it doesn't mean you can't scalp to the upside or the downside. Of course, you know, the overall market is very bearish. We know that. We're just trying to make money, man. Regardless of, oh, Apple just made a new low update. So be careful with your longs here. But that is crazy if they can hold this. Oof. Wow. They broke a new low of day on Apple just to rip it back up. Damn. Ooh. Ray, I could be a moderator if you like. You could have moderators on TikTok? Huh. I didn't even know you could have moderators on TikTok. I didn't know that. It's dope. But yeah, nah, like, but yeah, let's just keep a nice, calm environment, and that's it. We're good, man. We're good. We're good. Relax. We're green for the day. We made money for the day. We're, you know, just everyone just calm down. Take it easy. Just being patient, waiting for the next trade. That's it. We're good, man. What the hell? No, you don't need 1MB224. Please stop sending so many roses. What the hell? 35. You don't need to send these roses, man. Please, please. Holy crap. 65 roses? What the hell? Bruh. That's crazy. Wow. Thank you so much. You didn't need to do that. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. That is crazy. Thank you so much for the roses. But yeah, guys, you guys don't need to thank you. Hell yeah, no, thank you. I'm gonna be here regardless. You don't need to give me any gifts or anything. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Wow. This looks like a this looks like an interesting longing opportunity. Damn. With 392.90 as a stop. But I'm not taking it just yet. we're holding support pretty well. The NASDAQ needs to get a break above 293.80. Okay. That long would have been, that long would have worked. um, contracts are still up. If you're holding one contract still, you guys should definitely sell. Damn. Big rejection off of resistance. But the IWM is holding support. The NASDAQ is holding support, but literally rejected off of resistance. Yeah, everything is very tight at the moment. 393.20. Any other day, I would go long right now. Any other day, I would go long right now with a 393.20 as a stop loss. I would go long right now. Any other day, hands down. But the momentum is very, very bearish, and the market is very, very heavy. So these good longing opportunities don't have as much probability to work, especially when the daily momentum like this is very bearish, unfortunately. So. All right, I'm gonna hit bros. Dude. No one has time for John. Okay. I'm gonna be toxic and say I hate your beard. Makes me jealous. New low of day on Apple. Tesla broke below the trend. Yeah, that was a textbook longing opportunity, but they didn't allow it. So this is a very, very bearish move to the downside, because that was a really, really good longing opportunity. But the fact that they didn't allow it is equally bearish. It's not safe to short just yet. It looks like a good short, but I just don't feel it. Wow, this is a lot of weakness. I wasn't expecting this. Was not expecting that much weakness. I thought we would have a bit of a bounce upwards, which is why I didn't want to go short. I thought we were going to get a bounce to 393.12-ish, 393.20-ish to get another opportunity to go short. But they just brought it lower. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, market should continue falling lower. $392.40. Fudge, man, that would have been all sick short again. Oh man, we're missing out on these easy shorts. God damn it. Ooh. Yum. Oh well. Sheesh. Yeah, this is just options. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. We could have went short. We'd have made a lot of money. I was not expecting it to be that weak, but clearly the market was very, very weak. We had huge red candles. I wasn't expecting that. But I was being greedy. I wanted a retest to get a tighter trade, but we didn't get a tighter trade, so I never entered short. Unfortunate. Oh well. I'm gonna go long 391.60 stop on the SPY. All right, this might be a little too risky. All right, let's sell with a nice little small loss. This might be a little too risky, but I do think we bounced off of 391.60. But yeah, it's not worth it. Trying to catch a falling knife. This is a lot of weakness. But I think 391.60 still holds. If that level doesn't hold, then 390 and 388 are going to hit today, most likely. Wow. Apple's, everything is like capitulating. This is wild weakness. It's like vomiting. This is crazy. I want to go long. Everything fell right to support. I'm gonna go long 391.40. Basically low of day, stop loss on the SPY. It's literally like 5 cents away. Very, very tight trade. This should work. I'd be surprised if this doesn't work. Everything is literally sitting at support. And this is a very, very tight opportunity to go long here. We should see a pop maybe to 392. Wow. Yeah, if you're holding one contract, don't let this go red on you. Take profits when you see it. I'm not sure when you guys entered, but don't allow this to go red. Basically, we need to see this remain above 391.60. But, yeah, just... $391.60 needs to hold as support. NASDAQ's making new lows, but holding support. Apple is not showing that much strength. Just don't allow this to go red on you guys. And 100%, if this closes below 391.60, you have to sell. All right, Apple made a new low of day. You guys should definitely be careful about holding these longs. It doesn't look like this bounce is going to work. We have 13 seconds left on the candle. We didn't get a close below 391.60 yet. Yeah. This isn't safe. I'd be careful about holding longs. The one time I missed 2 amazing shorting opportunities. That usually does not happen. This is super weak. Holy crap. Wow. This is super weak. Oh, off screen. I'm going along low day stop loss on the SPY again. Yep. Contracts are bugging out. Contracts are bugging out. They're not holding value well. They're paying puts way too well. So that's telling me that they should rip it to the upside because the contracts are very lopsided. Yeah, we missed out on some really, really easy shorts. Some days it is what it is. But every single time you see a trade, you have to take it. If this breaks low of day, then I'm gonna sell out with these. We need a close below low of day. New low of day on the SPY. Damn, these lows just don't want to hold. But the call values are holding value pretty well. Yeah, the call values are holding value really, really well. This was, if you guys bought when I told you to buy, they're basically at the same price. So this is really, really weird. Premiums are bugging out right now. Premiums are absolutely not making any sense. I love it. IV is increasing as well. A lot of buying pressure. A lot of buying pressure here. They're not making it easy for calls. Definitely not making it easy. But yeah, SPY needs a break above 392. Yeah, if you're holding one contract, you don't want this to go back red. And ideally, SPY, we want this to remain above 391.60. So this was a nice move to the upside, but call premiums are also not moving well either. So just make sure you don't lose out on this play. Wow, lots of wicks. Yeah, just make sure you guys aren't holding heavy calls down here. This is not really we're on the knife's edge at the moment. All right, so just be careful. If you guys are red on the contract, basically just don't allow this to go red. We close below 391.60 as well, so it doesn't look like damn, they're not making it easy. You could have a new stop. Basically, if we close below 391.30, then it's done. Premiums are acting garbage on both sides. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, it's acting garbage. We're sitting at resistance. 392 is clear resistance on the SPY. Apple about faced. Apple is moving up. It needs a break above 152.30. Yeah, I don't have high conviction in this long, but it's holding support. Support's being held. Contract value is garbage. It's holding, but it's not moving very quickly, which is the problem. The longer it takes to break above resistance, the better shorting opportunity. Yeah. But yeah, it's not safe. It is not a safe trade to be in. So I would recommend, if you guys have a small account, it's not worth entering. Or if you're still holding, definitely be careful. I'm just really surprised that it fell very, very sharply and the contract still held value very well. And that was basically telling me that the bullish situation. But yeah. Wow, market is super, super weak. Super garbage. That's crazy. The puts yesterday are back up about 20%. So those the 380 puts. Um, I would like to take profit on those basically around 388 to 390. And the weakness that we're seeing today is definitely on the table that we might see that. This is the 1 minute time frame. Can you guys hear me on TikTok? All right, perfect. My AirPod. But yeah, when you turn down a mil a month in subscription fees to do this live for free, then you might have an opinion. But until then, sit back and relax and learn something. I would have liked to go long, but any other day, man, I would go long right now. I would literally go long again, but too much weakness out of the market. I would basically go long right now with a 390.80 stop. Damn. Bro. Oh my god. Every single time I wanted to go long or short, I just today I was just very, very greedy. I wanted to get like better opportunities to go long or short, but we didn't get those perfectly, so that's why I didn't enter. But it's nice to see that the market is basically doing what I expect it to do and stuff. Clearly a lot of weakness today, but intraday there's always opportunities to make money regardless of how messed up or annoying the market looks. I just said I wanted to go long again. This was a nice longing setup. Oh yeah, okay. Now 391.60 is acting as resistance on the SPY. This is basically a nice shorting opportunity. Yeah, I have hotkeys and everything set up on my setup as well. It's just a matter of sharing these with you guys. So I want things to get as close to support or resistance to basically before I enter, because I'm cognizant that it takes a few seconds for you guys to enter as well. But yeah, my yeah, oh well. There will be better opportunities. And yeah, I need to be quicker. That's it. But yeah, definitely down here. You shouldn't really be looking to short aggressively. But 391.60 is a major resistance on the SPY. Let's check out the NASDAQ has a resistance at 291.90. So there's still some room left for the NASDAQ to go. The IWM stagnating a bit. You could take a it's not safe to short. Yeah, it's not safe to short just yet. Yeah, oh well, damn. Unfortunate. Want to go long down here. Want to go short over here. Want to go short over here. It's all good. It'll be better days. It's faster execution and everything like that. Oh well. So yeah, it's almost 11:30. I'm gonna head out. Thanks guys for showing up and showing some love and support. I will be here tomorrow morning. Hopefully it won't be, hopefully, you know, it'll be better. We made money today, but it wasn't a huge green day like it was yesterday. And today, man, if we entered on those puts and if we entered on these calls, like, I'm not sure. We would have been up huge, but oh well. But yeah, 390, major support on the SPY. If we break below 390, then 388 is on the table. And then damn, this would have been a sexy long. All right. But yeah, even on a super weak day like today, my analysis intraday on the market has been pretty on point. It's just we were just too slow to enter, and it is what it is. Let me read. Yeah, it was a profitable day, but it could have been way more profitable. But it's all good. Thank God. You know, we're blessed. We made money sitting in front of the screens. But yeah, all right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. Thank you guys for all your love and support. I'm sorry I didn't really get to respond much to the comments for YouTube and Twitch and everything. But yeah, my MACD settings are 3, 10, 16. It's a faster acting MACD. But yeah, guys, thanks for showing support. Thanks for tuning in. I will. Oof, keeps going. I was looking at these 392 calls at around like 180. They're at 230 right now. All right, I'm gonna head out. I go live around 9:20 a.m. Eastern. 9:20, 9:25. All right, love you guys. Take care. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.